Are you ready to enter the shady world of banned tech? From Fingerprint USB flash drives to smart NFC Ring, Amazon and Aliexpress are filled with forbidden gadgets that are just a click away. In this video, we'll dive into the controversial world of banned tech and explore the top products you can still get your hands on. Get ready to be shocked and intrigued by the secret world of illicit tech. Join the tech revolution and stay ahead of the game with Best Cool Tech. Subscribe now to our YouTube channel and never miss out on the latest gadgets and tech news. Unveil the 8 tech gadgets that are banned yet still up for grabs on popular online marketplaces like Amazon and AliExpress. Get ready to be surprised by what's still available. Number 8. Mojo Lens. Mojo Lens is a revolutionary new product that promises to change the way we interact with our world. Developed by Mojo Vision, this cutting-edge technology is a smart contact lens that provides a heads-up display directly in your field of vision. It's like having a mini computer right in your eye. The Mojo Lens is incredibly advanced with a tiny display that projects images and information directly into your retina. This means you can see important information without having to look away from what you're doing. The lens can also detect your eye movements, allowing you to interact with the display using simple gestures. One of the most exciting aspects of the Mojo Lens is its potential applications. It could be used to provide real-time translations when traveling abroad, display important health data for medical professionals, or even provide augmented reality experiences for gamers. The Mojo Lens is still in development, but it's expected to hit the market in the near future. If you're interested in getting your hands on this exciting new technology, you should check out Amazon and AliExpress, where it may be available for purchase once it's released. Overall, the Mojo Lens is an incredibly cool gadget that promises to revolutionize the way we interact with our world. It's a must-have for anyone who loves cutting-edge technology and wants to stay ahead of the curve. Number 7. Lockpick Gun. A lockpick gun is a tool used for picking locks quickly and easily. It's a device that works using a spring-loaded mechanism to rapidly rake the pins in a lock, allowing the user to bypass the need for a traditional key. Despite being banned in some countries, lockpick guns can still be found on online marketplaces like Amazon and AliExpress. Lockpick guns were originally designed for locksmiths and law enforcement personnel, but they quickly found their way into the hands of hobbyists and enthusiasts. In the wrong hands, a lockpick gun can be used to gain unauthorized access to homes, businesses, and other private spaces. It's important to note that they may be illegal in some jurisdictions. Before buying a lockpick gun, it's important to check local laws and regulations to ensure that it can be used legally and responsibly. Number 6. Fingerprint USB flash drive. Fingerprint USB flash drives, also known as biometric USB flash drives, are a type of portable storage device that allows users to access their data by scanning their fingerprints. While they were once considered to be cutting-edge technology, these devices are now banned in many countries due to security concerns. Despite their ban, fingerprint USB drives can still be found on popular marketplaces like Amazon and AliExpress. These devices are often marketed as a secure and convenient way to store and access data. But the reality is that they can be easily hacked or compromised. If you're in the market for a USB flash drive, it's important to do your research and choose a device that prioritizes security and encryption over flashy features like fingerprint scanning. While it may be tempting to opt for a banned controversial technology, the potential risks simply aren't worth it in the long run. Number 5. MiniSafe Wallet. The MiniSafe Wallet is one of the coolest gadgets available on Amazon and AliExpress today. This compact device is designed to keep your cash, credit cards, and other valuables safe and secure at all times. It's the perfect solution for anyone who wants to carry their essentials without the bulk of a traditional wallet. The MiniSafe Wallet is made from high-quality materials that are durable and long-lasting. It features a tough exterior shell that's resistant to scratches and impacts, ensuring that your valuables are well protected at all times. The interior of the wallet is lined with a soft material that helps to prevent scratches and damage to your cards and cash. One of the standout features of the MiniSafe Wallet is its RFID blocking technology. This advanced technology prevents thieves from scanning your credit cards and stealing your personal information. The wallet also has a built-in combination lock that adds an extra layer of security. Despite its compact size, the MiniSafe wallet is surprisingly spacious. It can hold up to 6 cards and features a separate compartment for cash and coins. Overall, the MiniSafe wallet is an excellent investment for anyone who values their personal security and wants a reliable compact wallet. Its advanced features, durable construction, and spacious design make it a must-have for anyone on the go. Number 4. Semi-Automatic Powerful Slingshot. If you're looking for a fun and unique way to spend your time outdoors, consider getting yourself a semi-automatic powerful slingshot. This gadget is not only powerful, but it's also easy to use, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced users. One of the great things about this slingshot is that it's semi-automatic, which means that you can quickly fire off multiple shots without having to manually reload every time. This makes it ideal for target shooting, hunting small game, or just having some fun with friends. In terms of power, this slingshot packs a punch. With the ability to shoot projectiles at high speeds, you'll be able to hit your targets accurately and with great force. Plus, the sleek and durable design ensures that it will last you for years to come. You can easily find this gadget on both Amazon and Aliexpress. Some models come with additional features such as laser sights or adjustable tension. Overall, a semi-automatic powerful slingshot is a cool and exciting gadget that's sure to provide hours of fun and entertainment. Just be sure to use it responsibly and follow all safety guidelines to ensure that everyone stays safe while enjoying this unique outdoor activity. Number 3. Twin Blade Knife. The Twin Blade Knife, Dark Knight Pocket Folding Spring-Assisted Dual Blades Bat Knives with Belt Clip is a sleek and stylish gadget that's sure to impress any fan of Batman or knives. This unique knife features 2 sharp blades that fold neatly into the handle, making it easy to carry and store in your pocket or bag. The spring-assisted mechanism makes it easy to open and close the blades with just one hand. The knife is available in a range of colors including rainbow, red, black, gold, and silver, with the black gold option being particularly eye-catching. Whether you're looking for a functional tool for outdoor activities like camping or hiking, or just want to add a cool accessory to your collection, this knife is an excellent choice. The sleek and modern design, combined with the high-quality construction, makes it a durable and reliable tool that you can rely on for years to come. If you're interested in purchasing the Twin Blade Knife Dark Knight Pocket Folding Spring-Assisted Dual Blades Bat Knives with Belt Clip, you can find it on Amazon and AliExpress. With prices ranging from $15 to $30, it's an affordable gadget that offers excellent value for money. So why not add it to your collection today and enjoy the convenience and style of this unique knife? Number 2. Handheld Metal Detector. A handheld metal detector is a device that can detect metal objects that are hidden or buried. It's commonly used by security personnel to scan individuals and their belongings for weapons and other metal objects. The gadget is incredibly easy to use and can be operated by anyone, making it an essential tool in many security settings. One of the coolest features of the handheld metal detector is its ability to detect metal objects from a distance. It emits a small electromagnetic field that can detect metal objects without the need for physical contact. This makes it an ideal tool for scanning large crowds quickly and efficiently. These devices are lightweight and compact, making them easy to carry around and use in different locations. They're also incredibly durable, with many models designed to withstand rough handling and extreme temperatures. Handheld metal detectors are available on popular online marketplaces like Amazon and AliExpress. These marketplaces offer a wide range of models to choose from, with prices ranging from $20 to $100. Some of the most popular models include the Garrett Super Scanner and the Bounty Hunter Gold Digger. Overall, a handheld metal detector is a useful and practical gadget that can be used in a variety of settings. Whether you're a security professional or just someone looking for a cool gadget to add to your collection, a handheld metal detector is definitely worth considering. Number 1. Smart NFC Ring. The Smart NFC Ring is a fascinating piece of technology that has unfortunately been banned in some regions due to its potential security risks. The ring can still be purchased on popular online marketplaces like Amazon and AliExpress. The small NFC ring uses near-field communication or NFC technology to communicate with other devices such as smartphones and door locks through contactless transactions. It can store and transmit data, enabling users to perform various tasks like making payments or unlocking doors with a simple tap of the finger. While the convenience of the Smart NFC Ring is undeniable, it also raises concerns about privacy privacy and security. Critics argue that the Ring's ability to store personal information and interact with other devices makes it vulnerable to hacking and data breaches. Despite these concerns, many users are still intrigued by the possibilities of this technology and are willing to take the risk. For those who are interested in purchasing a smart NFC ring, it's important to do thorough research and take necessary precautions to protect personal information. The smart NFC ring is a fascinating piece of technology that offers convenience and accessibility. However, it's important to be aware of its potential risks and take necessary precautions to ensure privacy and security. Out of the two prohibited devices featured in the video today, which one caught your attention the most? Either the Fingerprint USB flash drives or smart NFC ring? Please share your opinions in the section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.